You've been taught to sort money into two buckets, expensive and cheap. That's the wrong split, and it's quietly keeping you broke. Wealthy people don't think about money that way at all. They sort everything into two completely different buckets, assets and liabilities. And once you see money through that lens, you genuinely can't unsee it. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you the difference. Expose the assets that are secretly draining you every month, your car is one of them, and give you the one question to ask before you buy anything. Get this, and you change how every dollar you own behaves. The definition, in plain English. Forget the textbook version. Here's all you need. An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket. A liability is anything that takes money out of your pocket. That's it. That's the whole framework. An asset feeds you. A liability eats you. Wealthy people spend their lives buying things that feed them. Everyone else spends their life buying things that eat them, and then wonders why the money never sticks around. What actually counts as an asset? Assets are the stuff quietly working for you in the background while you sleep. Your index funds and stocks going up in value and paying you along the way. A rental property that drops rent in your account every month. A small business or a side hustle that earns without you clocking in. Even a skill that lets you charge more counts because it puts more money in your pocket. The common thread? You buy it or build it once, and it keeps paying you. That's the magic. An asset is money that makes more money, and every dollar it earns can go buy another asset. That's the snowball nobody explained to you. What's actually a liability, even when it doesn't feel like one? Liabilities are the opposite. They pull money out of your pocket, over and over. Credit card debt bleeding you at 24%. A car payment, plus insurance, plus gas, plus repairs. The financed phone, the designer stuff, the subscriptions you forgot you had. And here's where people get wrecked. The things that feel like assets but are actually liabilities in disguise. The trap, the asset that's really a liability. Let me show you the one that gets almost everybody. The car. You buy a brand new car and in your head it's an asset. It's worth money, right? Except a new car loses around 20% of its value the second you drive it off the lot, and it keeps dropping every year after. On top of that, it's pulling money out of your pocket constantly. The loan payment, insurance, gas, maintenance, registration. It's going down in value while actively costing you money every single month. That's not an asset. By the definition that actually matters, a car is one of the biggest liabilities most people will ever own. It's fine to own one, you probably need one, but stop telling yourself it's building your wealth. It's the opposite. Same trick with a closet full of clothes, the newest phone on a payment plan, or gadgets you finance. They feel like wealth because you can point at them, but if it's losing value and costing you money, it's a liability no matter how nice it looks. Real wealth is usually the stuff you can't see, the investments quietly compounding in an account. How to actually use this? Here's the shift, and it's simple enough to use today. Before you buy anything meaningful, ask one question. Does this put money in my pocket or take it out? That question alone rewires your spending. It doesn't mean you can never enjoy your money or that every liability is evil. You're a human, not a spreadsheet. The move is the order you do things in. Wealthy people buy the assets first. They let those assets grow and earn, and then they let that income pay for the fun stuff, the liabilities. So the car, the trips, the nice apartment get funded by money their assets made, not by a paycheck they traded their whole week for. Broke but high-income people do it backwards. They buy the liabilities first, the car and the clothes and the lifestyle, and there's nothing left over to ever buy an asset. Same salary, completely different life, entirely because of the order. The mindset in one line. So every dollar you get is a little worker. You can send that worker off to earn more money for you, or you can spend it on something that will quietly drain your account for years. Rich isn't a salary. Rich is owning more things that feed you than things that eat you. You don't have to overhaul your life tonight. Just start noticing. Every purchase from here on out, quietly tag it in your head. Asset or liability. That awareness alone will start bending your money in the right direction. Assets feed you, liabilities eat you, and wealth is just owning more of the first kind. Buy assets first. Let them pay for the rest, and ask pocket in or pocket out before you swipe. Now, once you start sorting your money into assets and liabilities, there's a single number that tells you if you're actually winning, and most people have never once calculated it. Next time, I'm breaking down net worth, what it really is, how to figure out yours in about 10 minutes, and why it matters way more than your salary. Subscribe so you catch it.